or all of you will be dying here.
Well. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi taala wabarakatuh. Good evening, viewers. How are you today? I hope all of you stay in the Book Edition. Here with me, Muhammad Rizky Ramadan. I come from Nurul Jadi Junior School. In this evening, I would like to tell you my greatest story ever. Maybe you never listen. Do you know about it, guys? If you don't know, just come closer and listen carefully my greatest ever story. Entitled is The Story of Aji Saka. Once upon a time, in one of Indian city, there lived a supernatural young man named by Aji Saka. He was going for a journey to Java Island because he wanted to spread religion knowledge and pure kindness of his heart clearly. But since in the night, Aji Saka heard about the kingdom was in dangerous condition. The kingdom was made of Mulan, ruled by the cruel and cannibal king named by Prabu Dewata Cengkar. In one day, Prabu Dewata assumed to become his food. Every society lived in fear and suffering because the cannibalism of Prabu Dewata Cengkar.
Hey, every societies, I'm hungry. I need one person to be eaten, or all of you will be dying here.
Listen this cruelty, Aji Saka felt called to hell, and he was going to Medan Kebunan with the intent to defeat Prabu Dewata Cengkar. After he arrived over there, Aji Saka first permit to face Prabu Dewata, and he asked like Lord Isha. Prabu Dewata laughed because he asked was for not anything, so he granted it. But Aji Saka was having a magic show when the show opened long and close to the kingdom. Prabu Dewata believed he tricked by Aji Saka.
What? Oh, how did you like it? Hey, Aji, you have business to travel with your soul? Look, all of this fits you. Get it?
Using war between Aji Saka with Prabu Dewata Cengkar with their knowledge, Aji Saka success to defeat and throw him to the South Sea. Prabu Dewata Cengkar, you not also will expect. And remember, don't you ever violence your societies. And right now, it's your time for die. And after that, Aji Saka became the king of the kingdom. But the story hasn't done yet. Before he went to Medan Kebunan, he enters a traditional tour to the best servant, named by Dora and Sembada. That helm only find to if asked by Aji Saka, but misunderstand. They fought until the last of their power that only want to keep that helm. Aji Saka was very sad when he knew about that. What? Why? Why are you fighting each other? Please don't put me my best servant. And finally, Aji Saka gave respect to the best servant. He created the of Java who is this person. The story starts with there are two messengers. They fight each other and they are dead. So the story was the end. You can take a little moral from the story. That is, don't you ever do violence to another people because that violence will come back to yourself. Okay? Maybe that's all from me. And then as I say, stop bullying, stop violence. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.